you want to have a beautiful, clear, glowing, brighter and lighter skin tone, you don't need to miss a particular step, which is exfoliation. Exfoliation will help to glow your skin, it helps to clear dead skin, and it will make your skin to be open to receive any product you apply on your skin. So in this video, I'm going to be listing out some best body scrub that will help to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and also glow your skin. Okay, if this is something you're interested in, sit down because I have something specific for you. Okay? So the first body scrub on my list is going to be the Big Gold Vitamin C body scrub. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This particular body scrub is very nice. It will help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to brighten your skin. This is the scrub over here. As you can see, I'm done using it and I will get another one because this particular scrub is very nice, but it's a bit harsh if you apply it on the face. So if you have a sensitive skin, this is not a good scrub for you. But if you have a normal skin, if you have an oily skin, if you have combination skin, please get this scrub. This scrub will help to exfoliate dead skin cells from your body, and it's going to help to brighten your skin. Like I said here, it says vitamin C body scrub loaded with antioxidant to stimulate blood flow. Dead sea salt exfoliate dead skin cells, dirt or toxins skin by removing dead skin cells and promoting fresh, healthier and younger looking skin. Antioxidant vitamin C along with a luminous beautiful scent help detoxify your body and help to improve hydration of your skin by stimulating circulation. It's going to help to detoxify your skin. I am done using it. Like, if you know me very well on this channel, I practice what I preach, okay? So I'm the best skincare creator that can tell you the truth. This scrub is very nice. I've used it and I will still buy more of it because this scrub is very good. But please don't apply it on your face, only apply it on your body because it can be harsh on the face because it's a soft scrub. So this scrub is a very good scrub to use on your skin. So add this to your skincare routine. Okay, the next scrub on our list is going to be the Golden Glow scrub. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This particular scrub is very nice on your skin. It's going to help to fade hyperpigmentation on your skin. It's going to help to clear dull skin, and it's also going to help to glow your skin and even out your skin tone. So if you want a scrub that will help to do all this by clearing hyperpigmentation, clearing dull skin, if you have a dull skin, this is a very good scrub for you. And the key ingredient in this particular scrub is turmeric, sea salt, shea butter oil, and grapeseed oil, which are very good ingredients, which will help to hydrate your skin, which will help to exfoliate dead skin cells for your body, and it will also help to glow your skin. And you know the essence of turmeric in a body scrub, it will help to brighten your skin. So this is a very good scrub for you. Alright, the next scrub on our list is going to be the K-View Tomato Body Scrub. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This scrub comes in different variants. There is one of turmeric. The one we're going to be talking about today is the tomato scrub. This is scrub over here. This scrub is very nice. Like it said, they said the salt scrub. It helps to remove dead skin cells from your body. It creates new skin cells. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C, and also contains AHA to make your skin look radiant, scent refreshed throughout the day. This scrub is very nice. It's going to help to rejuvenate your skin. It's going to help to glow your skin. It's going to help to clear dead skin cells on your body. It's going to make your skin soft and smooth. Like the scent is amazing. Like, I love this scrub so much. It has this very nice scent and it will also help to exfoliate your skin. This is a very good scrub you should think of getting. Okay, you can also get the turmeric one. The turmeric one is very nice. It also contains this particular thing, but the only difference is that that one has turmeric inside. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. It helps to clear your skin. It helps to even out your skin tone. It helps to clear dark spots or any hyperpigmentation on your skin when you continuously use this scrub. This scrub is very nice. This scrub is very effective. I will not recommend that you use this scrub on your face. Please use this scrub only on your body. So if you're looking for a very good scrub to add, please use this scrub. This scrub is something I've used and I can give you guarantee that this scrub will give you effective results. Okay, the next scrub on our list is going to be the Face Fat Brown Sugar Body Scrub. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This particular body scrub is very nice. If you continuously use this scrub, it's going to help to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation on your skin. This scrub is going to help to clear dead skin cells on your skin by revealing an even skin tone. So if you have an uneven skin tone, this is a very good scrub for you. This scrub will help to soften and smoothen your skin. It will help to glow your skin and it will help to gently exfoliate your skin. This scrub is a very good scrub. If you're looking for a very good scrub you're going to add to your skincare routine, please go for this face fat brown sugar body scrub, and trust me, you won't regret getting it. I'm telling you with full guarantee that you should get this body scrub and you won't regret getting it. Also, this body scrub is vegan friendly and it's very nice on the skin. It's mild on the skin and it's going to help to boost your skin glow. Okay, the next scrub on our list is a fruit of Waki body scrub. The picture will be on the screen. It comes in different varieties. I think I'll just put up some of them on the screen. It has different flavor, and this particular one I'm talking about, which is the watermelon, it has watermelon scent mixed with sugar crisps too. This scrub will help to unclog your pores. It's going to help to even out your skin tone. This scrub is going to soften your skin, smoothen your skin, and it's going to help to clear dead skin cells from your skin. It's going to help to gently exfoliate your skin, and it's going to help to revitalize your skin. This fruit of Waki sugar scrub helps to radiate your skin, and it also helps to nourish your skin. Amazing, right? So if you're looking for a very good scrub that will gently exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells from your body and give you a glowy, beautiful skin, then you should go for this fruit of Waki body scrub. Okay, so guys, if you got to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay, the next scrub on our list is going to be the RD turmeric and glutathione body scrub. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This particular scrub is very nice. It has antibacterial property which help to reduce acne on the skin. So if you're an acne prone skin, this is a very good scrub you should use in your skincare routine, and it helps to unclog pores. So if you have an oily skin, this is a perfect scrub for you, and it helps to lighten your skin, it helps to brighten your skin, it helps to soften and smoothen your skin, and it helps to exfoliate dead skin cells from your body. This scrub is perfect for all skin type, especially oily skin. So if you're looking for a scrub, if you're an oily skin and you're looking for a scrub that will be perfect for your skin, this RD turmeric and glutathione body scrub is a perfect scrub for you. The key ingredients in this scrub is turmeric and glutathione, which will help to brighten your skin, which will help to lighten your skin, and it's going to help to give you a radiant glow and beautiful glowing skin. Okay, the next scrub on our list is going to be the Dr. Mina Afro body scrub. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This particular scrub is very nice. If you're looking for a scrub that will brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, and lighten your skin, this is a very good scrub for you. This scrub will help to improve your skin texture. It's going to help to reduce the appearance of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. This scrub is going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to glow your skin. It's going to help to soften your skin and smoothen your skin. This particular scrub is going to help to brighten your skin, and it's going to help to remove dead skin cells from your body. The key ingredients in this body scrub is alpha-arbutin and AHA and plus PHA, which are very good, which will help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to clear dead skin cells, and it's going to help to brighten and even out your skin tone. This particular body scrub is going to help to polish your skin. This scrub is a very good scrub. This scrub is a scrub I would recommend you get if you want something that will glow your skin, and when you add to your skin routine to help to enhance all of your skincare products. So if you're looking for a perfect scrub for you, then go get this Dr. Mina Alpha-arbutin body scrub. A lot of people have been using it and it's very amazing, so you should try getting this scrub. Okay, the next scrub on our list is going to be the Mind Half Cast face and body scrub. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This scrub is very good if you have a stubborn skin. This scrub will help to clear dead skin cells from your body. This scrub is going to help to clear any hyperpigmentation on your skin, like any dark mark or stretch mark on your skin. It's going to help to smoothen your skin, soften your skin, and it's going to help to glow your skin. If you continuously use this scrub, it's going to help to brighten and lighten your skin when you continuously use this scrub. This scrub is very good if you want to lighten your skin, if you want to exfoliate your skin, and if you want to glow your skin. This is a very good scrub for you. This scrub is a soft scrub and it will give you a flawless glowing skin. So if you're looking for a perfect scrub, please get this Mind Half Cast face and body scrub. Okay, so guys, have you used any of these scrub which I've mentioned in this video? If you have, do want to share your experience with us in the comment section. So which of these scrub is your favorite? Have you been using any scrub that you feel is working for you? Please do us to drop it down in the comment section. Okay, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can also watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mm, mm. Bye.